Alright, this is Jordan. I'm back out at AMOS field here with Basil.
Right.
Hey, we got our helicopters here. We got Basil's got his Align. What is this? Align
Oh, 500 Dominator.
500 Dominator, electric there, and then we have a 600 gasoline. That's a Chaos with a gasoline conversion. And then he's got his Radical. See, folks, just like my green one. It's a fresh build. Look at that pretty helicopter right there. Radical. So he's going to run that and see if it runs okay. And then we got mine, 700 Dominator right there. Vigor 60 there with a newly converted torque tube tail. And my green machine, the Radical, right there. I just flew that a little while ago. And now we're going to go out and fly the Vigor. So get ready. Hat cam. Alright, hopefully this thing's going to run for me. I'm sure it will. It always runs pretty good. I love this helicopter, folks. I had it for a long time. Had this helicopter a long time. Alright, let's check the gyros. Working good. Alright, and here we go. Let's see if she'll start. Glow plug attached, and here we go. Clear. There she goes. Oh, I need a strap. I'm gonna go get a strap real quick. Strap on, there we go. Alright. Bigger, see ya. Running good so far. I'm burning 30% fuel today. If it starts to burble, I'll bring it down. I richened it just a little bit. And once she gets warmed up, that's a good smoke trail. Yeehaw! Nice. So far so good, no burble. It's good. Just a really great flying helicopter, guys. I've had this helicopter, like I was saying, a long time, for I think like 14, 15 years now. I got it like back in 2000 or something. But that'd be 17 years. I got it probably about 2002 or 3. I think about 15 years. But I've rebuilt it like 3 times. But it's flying better now than it's ever flown. It's just a great helicopter. JR Vigor CS with the OS 61 World Class in it. And I'm running 30% nitro with 23 oil. And it's got the Curtis Youngblood muscle pipe that was made for this helicopter pretty much. Kind of a unique looking muscle pipe. Kind of looks like a chrome sausage, like a hot dog. It kind of sits sideways in the frame, but boy, it sure makes the engine run a lot better. You know, this is one of the most stable helicopters out there. You fly a lot of the new ones and they're real jerky and jumpy, and this thing's just a tank. I mean, it's just a really good. And like I was saying in my previous videos, you know, I like to fly straight lines, and this thing just flies a real good straight line, like just like that right there. That's real good straight lines. Nice and straight, and you make the turn, you follow the turn, keep the tail behind it. Just a real good flyer. Yeah. There we go, swooping out. I'm going to actually check the fuel here pretty soon. Looks like I got about a half a tank. I get a little peek of it as it goes by. Gas tank's up under the canopy, but as it goes by, I can kind of look in there and see how much I got left. And it looks like I'm down to about a half a tank. It's running really good though, and this thing's just cruising, man. Alright, I'm coming in. Coming in! Just bring her around here, slow her down, and do a nice little hover. Perfect. Look at that. Beautiful. A nice helicopter, man. Really nice. Beautiful helicopter. Alright. Bring her on in for a landing. Right on the edge. Don't get no better than that. Beautiful. There goes Basil. He's going to fly his, looks like the 600 gasoline. I'm going to get out of the way. Okay. Power off. Power off on the radio. And that's it, guys. Thanks. See you next one.